The birds, they're everywhere.
Oh, you shot?
No, it's quite deep. Not deep, but I mean, it's black, you can't see the bottom, it's relatively deep.
Yeah, but you don't want to intimidate them.
Oh, they won't attack us, they just fly away. They're all there.
Dad, if you look to your left, there's one that's going to get ready to take off there. That to your left is pretty close. Oh, I missed it.
And right now they know we're not causing trouble, so they're not going to cause trouble.
Oh, they won't attack anybody. Never know. Well, of course you never know. You can cast over there, Dave, if you want.
I'm putting it near these lilies. See if I can catch it. Oh, that's not cool.
Don't do anything.
Well, we're naturally drifting, but
Yeah, that doesn't matter for me. There's no whipping the boat from there. I can't take it. That bunch up there, it looks beautiful.
true blood, man.
What?
True blood, man.
Bleeding?
It's just a little tiny cut. It's not even bleeding. It's just you can see red inside.
What happened?
Well, I was trying to just pull the line off, and of course, it's a tough line. It snapped, but so it cut my finger. Getting the stomach and tear, but there's less chance of getting. I hit myself. Of it
I
staying
think
on.
that one up on top there, I think that's the mother with, I think a young one that can't fly yet.
Oh yeah, little ones, right?
They're feeding it. I think, yeah.
I think I got a fish.
Yeah, that's the right spot. Not near the engine, which is not running the motor.
What is it?
It's just
Pulling like a fish.
just seaweed from the bottom.